Hey crypto friends, for those of you who are new to my channel, my name's Garrett and welcome to Altcoin Radar. Today you guys are going to learn all about an altcoin project with all kinds of computational utility called iExec RLC and a lot of its core features as well. Now, for those of you who are new to the channel, if you're interested in trading and would like to try out the same crypto exchange that I've been using for the last 3 years, feel free to go ahead and check out MEXC with the link in the video description down below this video. I personally love this exchange for two big reasons. One, as you guys can clearly see, they've got some of the cheapest fees in the entire industry right now, and in addition to that, they have over 1,500 different altcoins for you to trade at any given time, which is very nice. Now, the other thing about MEXC is if you are from the United States, unfortunately, you are not going to be able to use this exchange anymore. I'm still able to use it simply because I signed up for it way before they started restricting people from the United States to use it. Blame our government, all right? All right, guys. So to start this off, I want to go ahead and look at some price data real quick. So when we are looking at iExec RLC on the daily chart here, what I'm currently seeing is there are all kinds of levels here to be paying attention to. First of all, we are currently trading right a little bit under this major support level right here at $1.66. And what I'm hoping happens here, obviously, as you know, Bitcoin continues to move up and up and up, I'm hoping that RLC will eventually be able to break through this resistance and start trading into this next range between $1.66 and $2.26. All right. Now, a big thing here, though, that we need to pay attention to, obviously, is going to be the $2 psychological level as well, which is right here, which is why I've got that line there, all right? So that is one key area we need to be watching, all right? Now, on the downside, if things end up don't being bullish here, which realistically I don't see happening, but hey, anything can happen here. If we do end up dropping here, what I can see happening is us ending up dropping down to this support level right here, and hopefully bouncing off and going through that resistance right there, all right? That support level down there is at $1.16, you guys, all right? So let's go ahead and talk about iExec RLC. So to start this off, from what I personally know, the RLC in iExec RLC is basically an abbreviation for, it pretty much represents for runs on lots of computers. And it pretty much represents a decentralized cloud computing platform that leverages blockchain to, create a trustless and efficient marketplace for computational resources, okay? On a very, very basic level here and at its utmost core. Hang on, guys. I'm extremely thirsty. I'm parched. Sorry, I like my water. All right. So on a basic level, iExec RLC is designed to address some of the key challenges associated with traditional cloud services. All right. Pretty much offering a decentralized alternative that enhances security, transparency, and accessibility, all right? This is something that I could see enterprise companies using in the long-term future, realistically. So let's go ahead and talk about some iExec RLC core features, all right? The first standout core feature here that I would like to talk about is decentralized computing, obviously. iExec leverages blockchain tech to decentralize cloud computing, breaking away from traditional centralized cloud services, which basically ensures, enhanced security, transparency, and overall trust in computational processes, all right? Now, the next core feature that I want to talk about here real quick is their resource marketplace, all right? The resource marketplace is basically where users can basically buy and sell computing resources in a peer-to-peer fashion, all right? And what's cool about this is it basically eliminates the need for redundant intermediaries, which overall allows for a more cost-effective solution as well, all right? Now, the last core feature that I want to discuss here real quick is going to be the fact that iExec RLC is extremely secure and trustless, considering that their smart contracts are built on Ethereum and take advantage of Ethereum's overall security. Now, in addition to this execution ensures that computational tasks are carried out without the need for mutual trust between parties, which overall adds another layer of security simply on its own, all right? So overall here, guys, iExec RLC, or iExec in general, has all kinds of useful features for both users and developers. So now we are going to go ahead and I'm going to talk about some of the actual benefits for users and developers, all right? So For users, on the user side of things, iExec offers users the ability to access a global network of computing power without being tied to a single data center, which is very, very nice. Which overall will result or does result in faster, more cost-effective, and scalable solutions for resource-intensive tasks like rendering, scientific research, and a whole lot more. All right. Now, when it comes to developers, iExec provides developers with a decentralized and censorship-resistant environment to deploy and execute their applications. And it promotes innovation, as well by removing barriers pretty much that are, overall associated with traditional cloud services, all right? Now, as far as use cases are concerned, the biggest use case that I can think of for iExec, the biggest one that stands out to me personally is the fact that iExec is focused around real-world applications across all kinds of industries, from rendering CGI in the entertainment industry to, running complex simulations and scientific research, for example. All right. Now, as we think about the future with iExec in it, iExec is quite literally poised to play a very, very crucial role in the evolution of decentralized cloud computing. With ongoing developments, partnerships, a solid team, and a thriving community, iExec is well positioned to shape the future of distributed and secured computation. Overall here, you guys, iExec RLC stands out, in my personal opinion, as a very groundbreaking solution in the blockchain industry. Pretty much offering, a decentralized alternative to traditional cloud computing, and with its very unique features, benefits for users and developers, and a growing ecosystem, iExec is undoubtedly a project to keep your eye on, all right? Especially in a hopeful event of, widespread institutional adoption, all right? Now, if any of you guys have any questions about anything that I mentioned in this video whatsoever, or anything that's related to altcoins or trading in general, feel free to go ahead and reach out to me in my free community Discord server, which you can find a link to in the description below this video as well. But overall here, you guys, that's going to pretty much do it for this video, so I will go ahead and wrap this one up. But before you guys leave, if you have not already, go ahead and make sure to subscribe to the channel so that you never miss a new crypto and altcoin video from me on a regular basis. And hey guys, with that said, thanks for watching.